we'll say goodbye to the old Sylvania panel. Bye-bye. Whoa. Well, this is what we got working with here. Not too bad. A little bit of mold, a little bit of water damage, but that's what you expect from a pretty old house. So let's get ripping. Well, y'all, mice love insulation. So as you can see, obviously got some mouse poop in here. You know, pretty typical for an old pole barn. But these bad boys can get in this little slot right here. Just come up, nest there for the winter. Easy little home for them. All right, y'all, a little update because it's getting dark. Couldn't film everything, but got two 120 volt temporary circuits ran into the garage while we are replacing this panel. I actually have another panel on the outside of this building, and that actually feeds this panel and the panel to my house. And there's also a couple breakers in there, so you can get 120 volt power in here. So luckily for me, that means I don't have to mess around with a utility company just to pull this guy. So that is good. So what we're going to do now is get all these uncircuited, get the main feeders out of here, and we'll be back at you. So here we go. Here's a look of my utility meter on the back here. So pretty easy. Well, let's get cracking. pretty much like that, in under 10 minutes, we got the panel out. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright y'all, that's going to wrap this one up for today. Hope you like this content. Starting the journey of making this shop what I want it to be. So, tune in, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.